it's Breezy and welcome to another video. I'm gonna react to all of the ringtones in Android. Okay, it's played in Synthesia and I don't remember which YouTuber it is. So let's get started. Okay, so the position is not really good. So this is a little bit of cringiness. Let's go. Oh no. Okay, it's in the right volume because we're watching Showtime on TV downstairs. Guitar strum. Oh, this one. I love this one. I love that ringtone. Boo. Joke. I'm just joking. Oh, Bollywood. Boo. Ah, boo. Just that. Oh. Oh, it's so cool. And a trumpet. Oh, it's not a trumpet. Look at it. It's Crazy Dream. What it called up? It reminds me of Bone Trousel in Undertaking. But. Just that. Boo! It's some kind of cool. Oh, I like this too. Oh, Orion is so cool. Okay guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy, but let's get back to the friendly ghost one. Okay, let's wait a little bit. It's here! Skip those parts, but thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and like the video.